just got a copy of a memo that GOP lawmakers are circulating on potential options for reining in big tech companies after they held that hearing with the CEOs of Facebook, Twitter, and Google last month, as we all remember. And one of the things they want to do is define big tech companies as those with revenue of at least $1 billion or more. Now, notable that they're not looking to get rid of Section 230 entirely, but they could look at carving out big tech companies from Section 230 liability protections, especially if they use targeted behavioral advertising. They would also require potentially 5-year reauthorizations for Section 230 protections, as well as potentially requiring an appeals process for moderation decisions. They're also looking to expand the law that protects children online, COPPA, and encourage tech companies to work more closely with law enforcement officials. So, guys, this is really important because Republicans have been all over the map on this issue. This is an effort to build some consensus among the GOP for one course of action and then potentially introduce a bill on that could possibly get bipartisan support. So this is about building that momentum and building consensus on Capitol Hill to actually make good on those threats of going after big tech. Deirdre?
Elon, actually, I'm just looking at the memo now with you. I mean, they're talking about social media, app stores, and as I'm quoting here, other tech companies engaged in certain activities. That seems kind of broad.
Yeah, and one of the criticisms, as I'm sure will come out of this memo, is, that $1 billion threshold could certainly take in a lot of different companies, not just sort of the social media platforms that were the target of that hearing. So this is a discussion draft that is intended to get lawmakers sort of talking about these issues and see where there is that consensus and desire to move forward. I mean, some of the options are more dramatic than others. So this is also a little bit of a test to see how far Republicans are willing to go, and are they willing to remove those Section 230 protections for companies altogether, or is it more about trading off, right? Is it more about ensuring that they are following certain rules if they want to have certain privileges?
Right, so some alignment on the GOP side, but the Democratic side, another story. Elon, thank you so much.